We will discuss that how many ways do we have to link our CSS sheet to an HTML document or HTML page. So basically we have three ways to link CSS sheet to an HTML page. The first one is within the tag. I means when we create HTML structure, there are so many tags. You can style that tags within the tag by using style keyword that we will explore a bit later. After that, the second way that in which you can link your CSS sheet to HTML document is within HTML head tag. Okay, we will explore it as well. The third way, you can create your separate CSS page and by using link tag, and you can link this CSS sheet to your HTML page. So in the previous video I had explained you that how you can open your VS Code within your folder. So we had created this folder, so let me open this. After that you can just press the right key of your mouse and there must be an icon of your VS Code. But if for some reason you don't find the icon, then you can Control Shift and right click, and there you have to click on open PowerShell window, and there you have to write code dot enter and it will pop up your VS Code. So there you can do your coding. So we have created these two files. I had already told you that how you can create your HTML file and your CSS file. So we will do some coding within this. We will structure our basic page, our very basic page in this HTML, and we will link the three ways. We will link our CSS styling to an HTML page by using that three ways. So within this body, first let me title it. I'll give my first website. Okay, so now in the body we have to use some tags that will help us to create our first basic website. So first I will use here, just for the sake of tutorial, h1 tag, in which I will write, just I will copy this stuff from here and Control C, and I will paste within this open h1 tag and closing h1, Control V. So this is our basic website, and after that I will create here a div and I will enter, and within this div I will use para, and within this para I will write some text by using lorem that will generate me some words that will be specified by me. So I want to create 40 words and just enter. Okay, it's look horizontally, so I will make it vertically by clicking right and going to command palette and just clicking on toggle word wrap. So it will give me all my text vertically instead of horizontally. Okay, that's great. So we have created our basic website. Let me open with okay. The second thing that you must have to do, you have to install live server. Right here, live server, it will suggest you live server, and then you have to install use as I have already installed it. It will help you while reloading your page. You don't need to save it continuously. You just click right and open with live server, and it will automatically save and reload your page. So this is our basic website, my first website, and we will explore that how we create website and how we make things beautiful. Everything will gonna be done in the upcoming videos, but just for this video we'll learn how to link our CSS style with HTML page. So the first way, we have to style our page, our HTML page within the tag. So this is a tag, and within this tag I will use style keyword, and after that it will suggest me styling, as you can see here. So I want to change the color of my text, so I will write here color, and after the color it will suggest me that right here a value. So I want to red color. Okay, so in that way you can do. I want to center my text, so I will write here another style, another property that we will deeply explore in the upcoming videos, but just for the sake of tutorial I will do things bit easy. So here I will write like text align. Okay, so it must suggest me text align. Okay, so I will write here center. So if right click, I open with live server, then my heading text will be at center and their color will be my first website red color. Okay, so in that way you can do your styling within the tag. I can do all these things within this tag. So we have to, here we have to style our tag. So I want to create width, suppose I want to 20, not 20, maybe okay 20%, and I want height. Okay, let me write here height, suppose 300 pixel. Okay, after that I will give it margin. And what is margin, what is height, what is width, we will explore them all in the upcoming videos. So let me write here margin, and the margin from top, left, right, I will give it 10%. Okay, so we have to give it border. So let me write here border, and the border will be 3 pixel, solid, black. Okay, so let me open with live server. Okay, so we have created this div. I know it's not a good website, it's a basic website. We just want to learn how to link our CSS. So we have created and we have styled our website a bit beautiful. Now, so that was the first way to link your style within the tag. Now I will remove all the stuff from here, and we will jump into the other way to link CSS style to an HTML by using within the h1 tag. Okay, so that was the first way. Now the second way, you have to link your CSS by using style just before the body and after the head, or you can also implement it above your head tag. So here I will write style, and within this style I will access my all these tags. You can give it a class and ID, and how to give it ID and class we will learn it the upcoming video, but for today we will just access the basic selectors, the basic tags. So now I want to style h1 tag. So I will write here that I want to text align. So it will suggest me text align, and I want to center. I can also change the color of my text, suppose red, and I can also font size, let me give it 100 pixel. Okay, and I want to style this one as well. So I will access the basic name of my div. So I will write here div, and I will style it. So let me give it a width of 40 pixel. Let me give it a margin auto, and I will give it a height 30 view height, and let me give it a bit padding. Okay, not you, so I will give it here a padding of 5%. So let me open with live server. So it will looks like this. So we have to give it a border so that it looks like beautiful. So let me give it a border, BOR, just enter, and I will suggest the width of the size of border 3 pixel, style solid. You can give it dash type, we will explore them all, and let me give it a color like is this time blue. Okay, so let me open with live server. So it will looks like this. So that was the second way of linking your CSS to HTML. Now the third way, you have to create a separate. So first we have to copy all this from here, and let me Control X, and let me remove this style tag. So I have created a file here, external file style.css. Now I'm currently in style.css, so I will paste all the styling here. Now I want to style all my these tags, but if I open with live server, it will do nothing because we haven't linked our CSS with HTML. So you have to link it just before the title tag. You have, okay, not here, you have to write here link, enter, and it will automatically suggest you href. Here you have to pass the name of your style, so style.css. Now if you open with live server, so it will looks like this. So that was the 3 ways in which you can link your CSS style to an HTML document. So see you in the next video.